Hi, Durupay, doing good. So here I am with the demo. So this is the demo just to show you that what is that, how you can actually add new columns to the data. So let me give you a quick view. So you can see currently here we have this is the first one. So there are two ways. If you are unable to run the macro, let me reach to the first one so that we can show it quickly. Okay, so I think this formatting has some issue. I'll fix those. Okay, let me get to the focus that we want to add new three columns. There are two ways. So I made a copy of the file, and on the first, okay, sorry. So okay, now I'm here. So I've just made a copy of the file just to show you that how you can use it. So you need to click on the menu if you want to add extra new column. Like if you want to add for 12.5, you can go to the menu for some reason. Okay. And go to the manual control and click this insert sales spend columns in all summary sheets. Once you click it, it will ask you for the authorization for the first time. Click on the continue and then click scroll down. Sorry, select the account through which you want to run this. So this is the only thing. This is basically standard operating procedure from Google. So click on the account you want to run it through. Click on advanced. Go to the left bottom. Go to automation backbayplay, which is the name of this code, and then click allow. So this is just to just asking you through which account you want to automate this thing. So this is one way. Now the last attempt was consumed in the authorization. Now I'll click again, insert new sales, and you will see a new three columns will get added in this sheet in all the summary sheets, and those will also be formatted as 512. And once the data is available for the 12.5, you will be able to see the data automatically in here. For some reason, internet is a bit slow, but yeah, you can see new three columns added, and now it will transfer the data as well, the columns as well. For the reason, this is basically, this row is basically a date column, but it's sometimes showing the number format. I'll fix that. So you can see it has added new three columns. Now the formula will get updated. This is just the slowness of the internet. As you can see, now 512 is here, and 512 will get added in all the sheets. So this is one way. Now let me show you the quickest second way. So I'll go back to the first sheet, the main sheet currently you are working on. And if you don't want to authorize it, oh, there are so many columns. Who added those? We don't need these many columns. You can always delete these. Okay, so now, for example, if you are on the sheet and you want to add new three columns for this Starbucks syrup, just click on the last three columns, right click, insert three new columns on the right, and this will give you another three columns. And you just need to copy the last three columns and click on the first available empty column and just hit Control V or paste. That is it. Now you are ready for the 512. This is how you can do for any point or any of the sheet. If you want to do it only for one sheet, but if you want to do it for all sheets, obviously you don't want to go in each sheet and add three columns and then copy the last three columns to the new three columns. This is the option. Insert sales spend columns in all sheets, and you can see it might be working. Yeah, it is working because I think the internet is slow on our side. Maybe it will continue slowness for the next 4 or 5 days. So you can see it's adding the new columns, added new columns, and the formula will be here. And this will be done automatically at every 400 hours. And you should not it should not be required. But I gave you the two ways how you can do that. So the simplest and the quickest way is just add three columns on the right side and copy the last three columns and paste it here. As you can see, now 512 is here. So that is it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further clearance or any further discussion. I'm open to discuss. Take care. Bye.